Okay, so last drifts event, the shakedown of the 32, we found I was wrong. It's not low enough. So, well, I wouldn't say it's not low enough. It's just that, hold on. It's just that I didn't cut the fenders enough, so I'm finna cut it some more. So tonight, we did some impulse buying. We went over to Northern Tools and got us a little plasma. And we finna chop it up real quick. Let's see what we get in there. Oh shit, a plasma cutter. This is a fun tool. It's good for destruction. Alright. So I'm gonna cut here because it's touching here. Obviously you can't see because it's on the lift, but you get the point. The wheel's touching here. When I drift, not enough space, we gonna make it happen.
So far. Blow it! To the air! You got the blow! Still on fire? Yeah. Hey, what a blow up? What a blow up? Oh, shit!
Bitch, chill out. It's not that serious. Chill out, bro. It's not that serious. Hey, drink on this. While I had the overs off, I went and resprayed it again because it didn't have enough paint on it, so it was a little bit darker. So now it should match better, and I realized I had missed the edges, if y'all didn't realize, but it is what it is. Now it's red again, and hopefully it's better. This guy wants to go to Auburndale this weekend, so Auburndale, whatever, man. Trinidadian problems. So he gotta fix his tow rig. That shit need brakes. Look, it don't even have brake pads. That's not even like 10%. That's like 2%. Round 2 at the dyno, me and Kyle, since we didn't put up any good numbers because shit wasn't working, you know what I mean? He's never gonna dyno, he's scared. And look, we got a guest. Who are you? Where'd you come from? You gonna make some power today, girl? 1, 2, here we go. Oh shit, round 2.
I have a circle of best friends, a circle of brethren, yeah. I have a big plan, my hand and your hand is all we need. Today I'm on a mission, now I ain't stopping, I made my decision. Today I'm on a mission, and I'm moving full speed ahead. So right now I'll just just gather my best friends and them there. Hold hands, put them up in the air. We gonna make some mess in here. We gonna make some mess in here. Gather my best friends and them there. Hold hands, put them up in the air. We gonna make some mess in here. We gonna make some mess in here. Gather my best friends and them there. Hold hands, put them up in the air. We gonna make some mess in here. We gonna make some mess in here. Gather your best friends and them there. Hold hands, best friends and them there. Gather your best friends and them there. Today we shut it down. We gon' make a mess in here. Everything up in the air. Let me make a mess in here. Today we shut it down. We wild and we don't care. We gon' make a mess in here. Them circling back like we. Them can't go hard like we. Them can't jump like we. They can't get on bad like we. Them don't know love like we. Them can't go up we. We have the turbo. We have the best circle around. We have the best circle in town. I have a circle of real love, and this one we made up, yeah. I people around me, and they will defend me anywhere I go. Today I'm on a mission. I ain't stopping, I made my decision. Today I'm on a mission, and I'm moving full speed ahead. So right now I'll just gather my best friends and them there. Hold hands, put them up in the air. We gonna make some mess in here. We gonna make some mess in here. Gather your best friends and them there. Hold hands, put them up in the air.
I went out there, and I was like, oh shit, it got bumps. Then I came around the corner and my car was like
Today we shut it down. We gon' make a mess in here. Everything up in the air. Let me make a mess in here. Today we shut it down. We don't care. We gon' make a mess in here. Them circling back like we. Them can't go hard like we. Them can't jump like we. They can't get on back like we. Them don't know life like we. Them can't go hard like we. We have the turbo. We have the best circle. Me and my crew go wild out. Tell them this. Tell them this. Tell them this is our time. Hands up high. Everybody put your hands up high. Yeah. Oh, put your hands up high. Everybody put your hands up high. Yeah. Well, this is my time now. The time when everybody meets everybody. The time has come. The time when every creed and race will smile as one. Hey. Well, everybody, let me see you put your hands in the air. Put your hands in the air. Put your hands in the air. Put your hands in the air now. Put your hands in the air. Put your hands in the air. Put your hands in the air. Put your hands in the air now. Our time. Our time. Our time. Tell them this is. Our time. Everybody, let me see you put your hands in the air. Put your hands in the air. Put your hands in the air. Put your hands in the air now. Put your hands in the air.
time. Our time. Tell them this is.
To mash this place up, come now we trash this place up. DJ just turn the bass up. Right now the rhythm of it, feeling away, and I want to party.